with that St.Mary. St.Mary with there. St.Mary with St.
Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Yes, Parry, morning time. St.Mary here again. But the time is a little overcast. So, yeah, I give thanks and bless up each and every one, you know. More powers.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Parry.
Parry, bless up in the bush and just work, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, me plenty from your hand.
How do you think she would have found it out? Paris over there, so blessing. St.Mary over there. St.Mary say every single time. So right now we come up here, you hear me, Paris? So I really lash up here. Lash up here. Tear out some place for me whenever tear away. Trust me. But I'm gonna pray me up. I have to build a wall, a bigger wall than what I expect. But I'm gonna pray me up. Seeing so I deal with some banana pie, but I gonna use, we used to call this banana, show them it that, White House. I deal with some banana porridge in my man, so she gonna take it down for me. Full, well full. She gonna take it down. See, I saw the blessing, I show no country blessing go. Right side right there, one of the biggest bird pepper tree me ever see. See, they're full of bird pepper there, right? So she gonna take down, right? It's a farm, it's a different type of banana. Let me show you why they call it White House when we start. But they don't really pay no mind them used to that country when they went hungry take away. But if them market I sell it, they come and sell it dear since me call city. So yeah. You see? I don't know what you call it in your country, if it's there at a Caribbean country and so. But we call this, show them it true, hold it up and show. We call it White House. This full. You see them full till them just cock off and bossy. And sometimes them get ripe. Yeah. So we call it White House. So I go and pan some of them here to make some porridge in the morning. And there's some there. Right, so I get the water off there, so. Yeah. You notice how rain fall and you come in and see nothing go on here, so. Yeah, porridge, so. Porridge. Yeah, porridge start, yeah. This is the man leaf in a pot. Natural thing. Put that on the fire. Yeah, we are going inside there now. Yeah, ripe banana and tough crackers. We are eating till the porridge ready. Show them Uncle Murphy. Murphy, I want when you pour the banana, you peel one and show them. You want some water, not this man. I'll show them why we call it White House. Look what when you open it, it's white. Show them one.
That's all open there.
Want a cameraman,
Yeah.
See why we take it to cold night light. We never have to work here on a ring light. Dark, eh? This is the reason why we call it White House. You see, it's white. White, exceptionally white. We could put the flower side eye. Lord, we bag of flower here, so things bad. You see that?
Yes.
That's why we call it White House. That is why we call it White House. So yeah, Uncle Murphy the pan the thing, and me I rinse out the blender jug. Look here. Me in a beat bread or in a banana beating out. Yeah, me not that. So me I rinse out the jug. See? These are 2 green coconut. This is the coconut. All who don't know green coconut, this is what we call green coconut. This is what we put into the porridge and into the tea, not the dry coconut. These are the green coconut. You see them? Past good look away past jelly stage. Them milk here are some rich. It just kind of, when they do it come like box milk. Yeah, so we're going to drop them to your night, Murphy. I will drop one. We will deal with it. See, I know, the porridge no cook yet, you know, gentlemen. I want the man, them look and see what go on. Come in, know them come talk about them nerves not good and in their country. And them thing you have to deal with. Yeah, this is the first set. We have moved on the other one. Yeah, them one ya move on the deputy hall or the sheriff.
Sheriff, you know where you get
knocked up. Yeah, knock when them here let go. Why? No, sir. That's how it look, Parry. This is how it look. I just peel banana we blend out right there, so and the thing creamy. Aye, Murphy, the thing the thing I turn up today, you know.
I'll tell you the coconut not gone in yet.
Any boy we losing weight. Any boy we losing weight. Any boy, put the camera for me there. Any boy we losing weight, you get 2 shots at this. Oh, if you don't find your way, we can help you.
Wanna hear that?
Oh, voila. Yeah. Serious party in a Japan in a show. Some of them know how you feel that country and talk about your nerves bad. Eh? Your nerves bad at town, not in the country. Yeah, this is the White House banana porridge. Right, show a serious banana that you know. To make the porridge, you know. Watch this now. See it here now? See there? You see it? This is the green coconut. I'm just going to drink it from the cup. The green coconut have a little salt in it, the water in it, yeah. Fluid, oh Lord, that's nasty. Fluid coconut, fluid porridge. You gotta wash off the coconut before we cut you. The people that talk about people nasty back in the days when they were sitting out. We never have them every day sitting there disease that pass through. Eh? Alright. I'm saying that's how we do it back in the days. We drink coconut water. Alright now, we are moved on the second one because he's supposed to, they can do, we know what for water, making kind of, we have to put in that much body, you know. We have to make it for water. Second shot. Hey, I'm like, I won't like parry, then we have to parry St.Mary.
And that, yes,
anytime when I reach here, you see, looking at the jug, you see it clean? Yeah, no grain. You see, anytime when I reach here, I mean line up some of this porridge here for all no answers. Look here. Look at Murphy. No milk, no in at this, nothing, no move yet, you know. Hey, this is the White House porridge. St.Mary was there. St.Mary was there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go outside. Do it. Well, the patty can't hold it, you know. If we go let back some. You put some in a freezer. Yeah. Cinnamon leaf boiling a parry. And the whole of the fish I can't hold it and we are going to put in. We are making coconut milk rich. Yeah. See, we now make a long water coconut milk. You see me? You want nut milk? We show them. Alright, you hold it, man. We just have to drink porridge today, you know, Dad. Yeah. You know, see that? See it there? Yeah, so what I going to do now, you turn the iron them the right way. You notice the pot sit down? Yeah, man. So tell Murphy same forget going. Because this thing not take long, you know, I take off them look of frat, yeah. This thing not take long, you know, so you coconut should have blend already. Cook down the night. Yeah, man. Because this is not a porridge will take long, you know, Murphy. Yeah. Yeah, man. And me I come little bit of water, Jaja. We I put this over it, it can boil over. Nah, man. No cover it, man. Alright. This is the coconut coming off the jelly stage. This is the coconut that you put into your tea, your chocolate tea, your biscuit tea, your bush tea, any tea. Right? Because green coconut go in all source, yeah. If you ever drink. I think me have one video up with the source tea with the green coconut in there, you know, top drink. This is the coconut. It coming off the jelly stage, yeah? Not dry coconut. Dry coconut if you make rundown coconut oil and cook rice and peas. See? Put it in a blender here now. Wap wap. One me I do. I'm doing only one. So look. Got the strainer there. Strainer rinse out. Get the strainer ready. We are going to put this in. Like that. Not long water. What we want, Dad? Milk. We want some milk. Yeah, we don't want a long water. Turn it up. One coconut. You know, so this is about a pint of milk. A little coconut there. You see it? Just to come off of the jelly stage. This is the coconut for the porridge and the tea. But mind you, know, if this not get for cook good, you know. Sort out your belly, you know. Yeah, one little coconut. We're not supposed to get 2 quarter milk out of this. About a pint or there about. Not more than that. Wow, all right, you know. What you said?
Yeah.
Yup. Comment and tell me. No comment and tell me I want to know I come my yard here, you know. 'Cause all things rough and bad for me. Me I fix up, you know, but you don't know what a clock has strike. Look at the milk. Look at the milk. Yeah, rich, nice coconut milk. Look at this parry. This no one nothing for thick meat, you know. I just the pure White House banana, this, you know. Uncle Murphy,
Yes.
you good, Dad? You good?
Yeah, man.
No worry, me soon get this uno off. Because them know when me I got talk about, you know, say, all this Murphy. Are you there? So, hey, come out type pot. That me I tell you. Yeah, tell me, say, Debbie, me want come out now. They eat too much for me. Look here. If, Dad, hold the camera. I could draw the hood. I draw the hood. That eye. Look at this. This is pure White House banana. If you're out there as a man and you're going backward, you're reversing, find me. Me number there. No man round me not supposed to in and no reverse. When them a porridge and make. Porridge we say? Because I St.Mary we there. Hey, Dad. Stay upon it, you know, Papa. Come off it, you know. We are incorporate the natural. Hey, Murphy.
Natural
Probably they never heard
Heard
of
of
us. Shot boat. Shot boat.
Never heard about
Them never heard that we. Make with this dissolve the coconut milk. Papa Jesus. Hey, draw the fire, Murph. We just want to simmer now on the coconut milk. Just take root for another 5 minutes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sinting tan so you do what? Tan good, yeah. Look at that. Tell me.
nice.
Tell me one who want more, Debbie, for the food no. Tell me more, anything you want. If you don't want for the more, tell me do it. Come, I don't know more for the man them. But don't know more for the food no. Want tell you no for come. And come good.
Hey.
No stick catching up, nothing around here. No pop down. No drop down, boy, when you drink this. Put it on me, make them sister on me. No pop down, boy, when you drink them, yeah. No sticker catch up, no boy. Stamina was sir.
Straight standing.
Oh. No, where you going? You're not searching where you're going. You want to know where you're going? You're not searching for where you're going. Oh. And on a serious note, the heat hot, the porridge hot, and the hood there hot. But Jesus, White House porridge, White House banana porridge. You saw it. I did it right there, right here on the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain. Tell me when you're coming. Hit me up. Tell me when you're coming. If you can, if the boy can't find anywhere, find me. I'll let him find his way. All right. Then the man we talk about so then tell them body run down, they not do no work. So Parry right now, the green coconut milk a scald like how would I scald. You know, the fire kind of low, so we have to get a couple minutes in there. On the low heat, stir it around and make the coconut milk get for, you know, scald like. Not really rigorous cooking, but the heat have to go through it for a certain time that it not bother with tummy. So pass the salt there time, let me put in the salt. Okay, Parry, so we take it off now. We can't find shoe. Forgive me some nutmeg. You know, nutmeg is here, but we can't find it. You know what I put? So look here. You see this though? This more look like arrowroot, not so thick still, you know? No. Yeah, but when you hold it, stand it at, you know? Yeah, Parry. And them kind of banana here we have a country. See, it might get down cooler now and it might get with more body. Come in at that, Uncle Murphy. Take off the paper off of him. Take off of him. We put in some milk, artificial, yeah. If we never have it, but you know, we have put it in there. Look at that. We can't stop showing you it. It might cool down, you know, yeah. Serious boy, more about half appetite for drinking. How much you want, Dad?
What part?
So you know when I've got boil more for me higher than Merv.
Alright.
Yeah. See it? You see this? Anytime you see anything, this is all gel. So look here, when you come in here and you see looking at this in the camera wherever you are, you see? And when you come in here, if you want to come and get some of this, you see my number will run across the screen and it will be in the description of this and all my other videos and lives. You make an appointment, you see? And we don't pay for this with thank you and I love you. Put the camera on me. You don't pay for this with I love you and thank you. You pay for this with some strong car. Yeah, money. Right. When I get the nutmeg, you know, but yo, the coconut milk, you know, and the cinnamon leaf, your Uncle Murphy, I can cut him out to go wider, because we are empty everything in there. Yeah, man. I kill this thing with that pan. I know he has a hard-working man, and I know Dad has a hard-working man, and he's a hard-working man. Sure, he's a hard-working man, you know. So we have to deal with the thing legit.
Proper.
Yeah. Proper thing.
The thing. Proper.
Yeah. And milk is not bad, it's not bad. Maybe we want, you know, we want a look.
She wants to come everywhere with her. No,
Yeah,
man.
Oh.
Or that one from the dark. That two dark one there?
Use the lighter one, no?
Use the lighter one.
But the darker one is better for you, but it don't really matter.
Alright, use it up like when cooler.
Then step up on the milk then.
Yes.
No, we should have nutmeg for cooking it.
How many years I have done, you know?
Well, him not have none with the clove pan it, with the something pan it. Him not have none with the thing there pan it, with the mace pan it. He have all pan nutmeg, yeah, man. Now get the milk mixed out. Now if you find your cake.
I'm coming from cake.
Where your basil pan?
Butter pan.
Why are you me there? I wonder when I drink out of that. Pan water go on. Taste a liquor. Just a little bit of sugar.
Taste and buy?
Daddy, Mr. Man, will love a bag of sugar in him. I forgot to add it to feed. But for me and you, Murph, we don't want no more.
Not plenty sugar.
Yeah, no. We don't want no sugar, because you see, a bag of sugar thing when I come in, because Dad go add sugar. Yeah. We not worry about the something them, you know, the vanilla whole artificial thing. We not worry about that, because we should have get the nutmeg, but sure, we can't find sure. Instead, never have none with the mace. The Porridge. Search for some keg. Anything were big. Anything were humongous. God, them they little bit, man. I go look inside.
Nothing.
Yeah, go in there.
The dish now here, man.
Yeah, man, we are chat Terence. Right now, we can't find no rain, so. So, me angle the thing. I just want to see the thing I get angled, you know. I don't want to feel like I make the porridge and I can't angle the after effect of the porridge. That's what I say. So, we have some teacups here, so. We are start out dead. So the man them all coming back about 5 or 6 more times each. See?
Right.
Yeah. So when we up on about the 3rd lap, me show now. Me and Dad and Uncle Murphy there. Yeah. I think them, if them broke up, we can't deal with them, you know. Nothing hard that. Why show him gone a bush? I don't know him can love the bush business. I don't know him gone. So you see we are going for the porridge though. Yeah man, this is mine. We got some crackers here, so when me dep on the anyway on the 3rd, the 4th lap, we are showing them each lap here, Murphy.
Yes.
But I don't want them feel like so we can't angle it, you know.
We need pan it.
We are trying to find somewhere to put the thing here. You saw him sit down? And it's stamina in him, you know. So look here, Parry. There you go, Uncle Murphy. Angle your business.
Right.
Dad,
Yes, sir.
put on the camera. I don't want you to lose your work. Angle your business, son. So, Parry, next clip.
Next clip.
Yeah.
Yes, man, and then we drink this and we reach in town. All breaks loose.
Parry, on a serious note, this wanted nothing. You taste the cinnamon, the natural cinnamon, Uncle Murph. Yeah. May I tell you, the thing up.
Up it up.
No, the man, the vanilla and the nutmeg, but you will never get me. I tell you, so the thing dead. Where you say, Murph?
Loud.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Turn
man.
up. See? Well, you let the cup now move. Yeah, show time now. Yeah. Come on now. When you see what I go on, watch it, Dad.
Yeah, okay.
You see it now move. I saw it. I saw it moving.
Anyway, drop it down.
Anyway, drop it up. I show one this, you know, because I see my come on the road one piece of thick a while ago. Me I tell you, come like you man, the whole away in the left night party. Come in, show, come in.
Chop some porridge here, man.
Come, show.
Alright.
See crackers, they come man, who are you? Stole a porridge. Come on, show. Like you people them say we not make it and you not get none, you know. Because them would have feel say we drink here and not here, no.
The porridge.
Yes, stole a.
Yeah,
Tell me porridge right here. Stole a porridge.
Yeah, still a porridge.
Yeah, show them when I pack that. We are good, we are getting vanity, you know, yeah.
Don't drink this so sweet.
Me I tell you when. At this left, you know, we are up on lunchtime and come back. See the party, you know, so which party did mark up there, so that show them. Show put in the camera and show them, so that's over there. And I like my boss. I think we don't want to look craven. Next clip.